The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no sleeping or laying down, no drinking or eating. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a leveled surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Alfred Williams.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Alfred Williams Jr. This is ticket number 22742-000, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. We also have tickets number 227407061, 1 count expired plates, and ticket number 227419999, 1 expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Michael Allen Schwartz, P30938, and my client is Alfred Williams, who's present here today.
And good morning, Judge Shannon Walker, P53794 on behalf of the people.
Okay, and Mr. Williams, will you state your name for the record, please?
Alfred Williams.
Thank you so much. How are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, I spoke with Ms. Walker earlier this morning, and we've agreed that there should be a motion that I want to file, which we can do, and then after that, depending upon how that turns out, we would then go on with whatever is required.
Okay. How long do you need to file this motion?
I think I can do it in 14 days from today.
Yes, my name is Kenneth Wells.
Excuse me, Mr. Wells, you can't just start talking in the middle of my court hearing. Thank you. Okay. All right, look at April the 27th for a motion hearing. That should give everybody plenty of time.
Let me just take a look at May a moment, Your Honor. April 27th, that's Thursday, that's fine.
Okay, we'll do it at 9 a.m. So your motion will be due no later than, let's do the 6th of April. I know that Friday is Good Friday. Prosecution, if you would like to respond, your response needs to be in no later than the 20th. Does that give everybody enough time?
It does, Judge.
Okay, and then we'll have the actual hearing on the 27th.
Judge, are we doing trial and motion hearing or just motion hearing that day?
We can set the trial date as well. So if we need to, the trial date, look at 6/6, counsel, for a trial date. Are you doing bench or jury? Let me ask that.
Let me just take a look. We're doing a jury, Your Honor.
Okay, so then it will be later. All right. So if we do jury, it will be. Look at August 9th.
Let me just take a look. I'm pretty sure it's okay. I just have to take a look here. Yes, that's fine. That's a Wednesday.
Yeah. So August 9th will be the jury trial. Is this gonna be on everything? Or jury trial on all the counts? Or, well, one that won't be able to be jury trial, they expired. Never mind. The other two are civil infractions, so it'll just be on this one. So we're gonna have our motion deadline for defense counsel will be April 6th. For prosecution, it will be on the 20th, and the actual hearing will be held on April 27th at 9 a.m. I don't have a lot of stuff, that's why I'm doing it that day, Attorney Swartz, so that hopefully we have plenty of time to be able to do that, okay?
Thank you,
If
Your
we
Honor.
have the jury trial is gonna be set for August the 6th, 2023. We'll have the trial. I'll set the pre-trial date the next time we have court.
Wait, excuse me, Your Honor, did you say the 6th or the 9th?
The 9th, I'm sorry, it's the 9th, it's the 9th.
Yes, okay, thank you.
So we'll have a pre-trial that week before to make sure everything's okay. So that would be a lot of dates. So that'd be August the 2nd will be the pre-trial, the final pre-trial.
Let me just take a look. That's fine.
Yeah, we can make sure that's okay.
Yes, that's good for me.
Okay. And I'll make sure to repeat these next dates at our next hearing. For this. Is there anything else from the people?
Nothing for the people.
Anything else from the defense counsel?
No, Your Honor.
All right, with that, everyone have a good day.
Thank you very much,
Continue.
Judge.
Welcome. Mr. Samson? Unmute yourself.
The person who's on the phone, last four digits, 1342. What's your name, please? The person who called in on the phone, last four digits, 1342. What's your name?
Roosevelt Woods.
Just one moment, Mr. Woods. What time was your case? Oh, Roosevelt Woods. You were here earlier, Mr. Woods.
Yeah, I got disconnected.
Okay. You talked with an attorney yet?
Pardon me?
Have you spoken with an attorney yet?
No.
Okay, I'll put you back in the breakout room in a moment.
Okay.
The person who is in the car, what's your name, please? Sir,
Roosevelt Woods.
Mr. Woods, put yourself back.
Yes.
Put your phone back on mute, please, Mr. Woods.
Okay.
The person who's in the phone, I'm sorry, in the car, can you hear me?
No, I need to get me a pair of headphones. I'm about to get some now.
Can you hear me, sir?
My right ear, slightly deaf in my left ear.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Keep driving. You can't drive, so log back on when you finish driving, okay?
I'm sorry, you went out.
Sir, you're not
Log
allowed.
back in when you finish driving.
Yes.
Attorney Jones? Attorney Gary Jones? Attorney Barry, I'm gonna do Miss Vivian's case next, so I can get her out of here. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
okay.
All right. I'm gonna just bring. Okay. It's Armando Zabella Garcia.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Armando Zabella Garcia.
Armando Zavala Garcia.
So, in interpreter, I'm gonna, call the case and then I'll swear you in.
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Armando Zavella Garcia. This is ticket SP 1294902. One count, driver's license expired. Appearance for the record with counsel, please.
Elvis Barrett,
Este es el caso SP 1294-9021, el caso de Armando Zavala García, conduciendo con licencia vencida. Introducciones, por favor.
Elvis Barrett Jr., P28880, on behalf of Mr. Zavala Garcia.
Yo soy Elwood Berry Jr., el abogado representando señor Zavala García, número de registro 28880.
And Ms. Vivian, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to translate the English to Spanish and the Spanish to English language to the best of your abilities, ma'am?
I do.
All right. Mr. Zavala Garcia, can you introduce yourself, please?
Señor García, diga su nombre por la acta, por favor.
Armando Zavala García.
Armando
Thank you.
Zavala García. Gracias.
Judge, I'm sorry, I don't know if you're ready to do this already, but I made the interpreter name for the record.
My name
Oh.
is Antonia, Antonia. My last name is Vivian, Vivian.
Thank you very much. And are you a certified interpreter?
I am a qualified interpreter with the state of Michigan.
Thank you very much. All right. Mr. Perry, how are we moving forward?
Señor Berry, ¿cómo
No.
vamos a mover adelante?
Mr. Garcia will enter a plea as charged to driving while license expired, Your Honor.
¿Cómo vamos a proceder? El señor García se va a declarar culpable de los cargos de conducir con licencia vencida.
Is that the offer you want to take, Mr. Garcia?
¿Y esa es la oferta que usted quiere aceptar, señor García?
Sí.
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand.
Señor Suba, levanta la mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth,
¿Usted jura y afirma de decir toda la verdad?
the whole truth, and nothing
Sí.
but the truth?
Toda la verdad y nada más de la verdad?
Sí, toda la verdad.
Yes, all of the truth. Baja la mano.
You can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Barry about your case and about your rights?
¿Usted tuvo la oportunidad de hablar con el abogado Berry de su caso y de sus derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea?
¿Y alguno te prometió algo o te amenazó para que usted entregue esta declaración?
No.
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
¿Y usted se declara culpable de su propia libertad?
Sí.
Yes.
Are you pleading, and by taking this plea, you're going to give up the rights to have a bench or a jury trial?
Y usted sabe que si yo acepto esta declaración, usted renuncia a los derechos de tener un juicio.
Do you
Sí.
understand that? Yeah, sorry.
Yes. ¿Usted entiende eso?
Sí.
Yes.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, sir?
Y entendiendo todo esto, ¿usted todavía quiere mover adelante, señor?
¿Cómo adelante?
What do you mean moving forward?
Does he want to take the plea?
¿Usted todavía quiere entregar su declaración?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. I want to take you back to the date of December 24th of 2021. Were you driving? Okay.
¿Recuerdas la fecha del 24 de diciembre de 2021?
Were you driving a Mazda vehicle in the area of Dix and West Verner Highway in the city of Detroit?
¿Usted estaba conduciendo un vehículo de Mazda cerca de las calles Werner y Dix en la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí,
Yes.
And while you were driving this vehicle, was your license expired at the time?
Y mientras que usted estaba conduciendo este vehículo, la licencia era vencida en ese tiempo, ¿correcto?
sí.
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
¿Satisfecho, licenciado? Sí, satisfecho, su señoría.
So at this time, the court's going to enter in a plea of driving while license expires.
Entonces ahora entregamos la declaración que estabas conduciendo con la licencia vencida.
Está bien.
That's fine.
Sir, my fine is $200. How long would that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
Señor, la multa va a ser $200. ¿Cuánto tiempo necesita para pagarlo? ¿30 días o 60 días?
30 días, está bien.
30 days is fine.
Okay, so I'll have it due on April 24th.
Entonces se tiene que pagar antes del 24 de abril.
Está bien.
Okay, that's fine.
All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you, sir.
Si no hay nada más, audiencia ya se terminó. Usted puede irse.
Ok, disculpe.
Okay, excuse me.
¿Cómo puedo pagar? ¿Tengo que ir allá a pagar a la corte o cómo voy a hacer pago?
How do I pay for this? Do I have to go to the court? How do I pay?
He can either come to the court or go online at 36districtcourt.org.
Usted puede venir en persona a la corte para pagarlo o también lo puede pagar en sitio de web en 36districto.org.
Ok.
Okay.
Entonces ya se cierra mi caso, ya nomás pagando el...
So my case is
tickets.
closed now?
So it's closed. He just has to make the payment.
Sí, se cierra cuando usted paga la multa.
Ok.
Okay.
All right. Any more questions, sir?
¿Tienes alguna otra pregunta, señor?
No, es todo.
No, that's all.
Okay. All right, then. He's all set. You can leave, sir.
Usted se puede ir, señor.
Gracias.
Todo está listo. Okay, thank you. Adiós.
Adios. Thank you, Madam Interpreter.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Of course. Attorney Jones? All right. Who do you have that you're ready on, Attorney Berry?
Terry Woods, Your Honor.
Okay. Terry Woods. Terry Woods?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Terry Woods. This is ticket SP 1333874. One count drove while license suspended. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Woods. State your full name, Mr. Woods.
Terry Lynn Woods.
Your Honor, Mr. Woods would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to failure to display. The
All right, sir,
insurance
you want to
company-
take it? Oh, no.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. It's okay. What were you saying, Attorney Berry?
That he anticipates that the no insurance count will be dismissed.
Fantastic. You understand that, Mr. Woods?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
You want to take advantage of that today?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right. Please raise your right hand for me, sir.
Yes,
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Berry about your case and about your rights?
No, I talked with this person that's on the other line here.
Right. His name is Attorney Berry. Now, you may not have remembered that, and you may not have said Attorney Berry, but you talked to him?
Yes.
All right. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, ma'am, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of this, do you still want to move forward today, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of March the 28th of 2022. Sir, were you driving a Kia vehicle in the area of O'Mara and East State Fair in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you were driving that, was your license suspended at the time, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed, counsel?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of failed to display a valid operator's license. The remaining count of no insurance will be dismissed. Sir, my fine is $200 typically. Are you able to afford that?
Right here at this precise moment, Your Honor, but yes, I will be able to pay it. He said up to 60 to 90 days.
I'll give you some time. You say how long you need, sir?
90 days.
Okay, I'll give you until June the 22nd to have it completed, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, good luck to you, okay?
Okay, no, I have a question. Where do I
Yes, sir.
present this? Would I send a money order to this address under this case number?
Yes, so you can either physically come down to 36th District Court on the first floor and pay it, or you can do it online. If you're not familiar with online, I wouldn't just mail it to the court because that may not work. So
Okay.
do you know where are you familiar with the kiosks in the neighborhood too, like in the Meyer and at CVS's where you can pay other City of Detroit bills, sir?
No, I'm not from Pontiac, but I'm familiar where the court is located at, though.
Yeah, just come down here, Mr. Woods, and you can make payments on it. It doesn't have to all be at once, but you can come down to the court. We're open on the first floor, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, that's it. You're all set.
Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.
You're welcome. You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, Mr. Sansong, you sign back on. Sir, with the headphones?
Yes.
What's your name, sir, so we can get you checked
Kenneth
in?
Wells.
Say it one more time for me, sir. Say it one more time.
Yes.
Say your name one more time for me, okay?
Oh, Kenneth Wells.
Wells?
Wells, yes.
Okay.
If it's Kenneth,
Kennis, like Kenneth instead of Dennis?
Yes.
You're at 1:30 today, sir.
Huh?
You're at this afternoon, not this morning.
Oh, okay. So what time?
At
Jack-
1:30, sir. Yes.
I see his name on,
1:30?
that's 1:30, I'm sorry, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, these is only for seconds.
Okay.
Hold on a minute, Mr. Wells. All right, let me see something real quick, okay?
Okay. Lord, brother.
Well, Mr. Wells, if you want to try and handle it, we can do it, but let me see. I'm gonna make sure you don't have a ton of tickets. If so, you won't come back this afternoon.
Yes.
All right, come back this afternoon, Mr. Wells. Mr. Wells, okay?
Okay, no problem.
All right, cool.
Okay.
Bye-bye. All right. Who, I see you're back, Attorney Harris.
Yep, I'm ready on Mr. Young, Mr. White, and then I would have to go get Miss Washington out of the breakout room.
Okay. All right. Is that Darrell Young?
Yes, it is.
Okay. And then do you have Kyle Washington and Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll do him next after I do Mr. Young. Darrell Young?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have a light in that room? All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Darrell Young. This is ticket 736110, count 1, unregistered motor vehicle. Count 2, no operator's license on person. Count 3, no insurance. U ticket 861-46312, 1 count entering without owner's permission. Ticket number SP 1173925, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 1233871, count 1, drove while license suspended. Ticket number X3344000, count 1, no operator's license on person. Ticket number U657434110, disorderly conduct. U ticket 230-87015, enter a vacant dwelling without owner's permission. Ticket number U181-64214, enter a vacant dwelling without owner's permission. Ticket number U181-42214, 1 count of enter a vacant dwelling without owner's permission. U ticket 1814214. Let me read that again. U1814214. 1 count, enter a vacant dwelling without owner's permission. Ticket number X3753326. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Ticket number 415437. 1 count, no operator's license on person. Count 2, drove unregistered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to your staff. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Young. Mr. Young, please state your name for the record.
Darrell Young.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. He has been advised of his rights. We are respectfully requesting a trial date.
Bench or jury?
Bench trial, please, and thank you.
All right. All right, sir, if you want a bench trial, please raise your right hand. Other right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Harris about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial. This is your trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to set this for June 6th, sir. June 6th at 9 a.m. Now I'm looking at these tickets. I will tell you to stay out of people's houses, but it looks like some of these tickets were older. So still, stay out of people's property that doesn't belong to you until your trial and forever. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'll see you for your trial on June 6th, 9 a.m. Did you have to post any bond on any of these, sir?
I actually went down to the 36th district window, and they said they canceled. They said they canceled some of them out. I don't know.
Okay. Well, if you have any bonds in there that you paid money on, I'm going to continue those. Otherwise, we're just going to move forward and put $0. Okay. But you have to come back, Mr. Young, to handle these. Because guess what happens if you don't come back? Guess what status I'm going to put you in?
What's that?
Warrant status. That means that you're going to have these warrants again. Okay. You're going to have to come back to the court. So come back and handle this business, please, and thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
Okay.
All right.
What y'all said the court date was again? June 8th?
Can you go get a sheet? If you don't go get a sheet of paper or write this down.
All right.
All right, we're off the record. I'll just give him a report.
What is it?
June 6th at 9 a.m. Write it down. June 6th at 9 a.m.
What am I
Same
getting?
Zoom number is Zoom, okay?
Okay, okay, thank you.
Yep, same information. I'll see you then, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Young. And just wear a different shirt too.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the Kappa shirt. You know, that's what they wear in college. It's okay. Most people don't know. It wasn't like inappropriate. It didn't have anything like bad on it. I just know what the Kappa shirt is.
Not recognize that symbol on the top of it.
Yeah, it's just two women back to back, but it's not like very figurish or anything like that. I'm just telling you. I'm trying to get him out, Attorney Walker, but he's not coming, so you can let him know.
Okay, Judge, I'll let him, let me see if I can
Let
get
him
him.
know. All right, phone number ending in 1342. You keep getting logged off, Mr. Woods. Are you having issues today? Can somebody talk to Mr. Woods in the breakout room, please? We're gonna put him in. I don't know what breakout room. 5 maybe. Can somebody talk to me? Huh?
What's his name again so I can rename him?
Roosevelt Woods.
Yes.
That's Mr. Woods,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Yes.
All right. Let me do Kyle Washington, Attorney Barry.
Yes, ma'am.
Kyle Washington. Unmute yourself, press *6 for me, please.
There he is.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kyle Roger Washington. This is ticket P138485, count 1, 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Ticket number SP1242231. 1 count drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP1384876. 1 count drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP1433071. Count 1 is drove while license suspended. Count 2, improperly displayed dirty obscure plates. Ticket number SP143308001. 1 count expired plates. And count 2 of that same ticket is no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Washington. State your full name, Mr. Washington.
Taiwan Isaac Watson.
I was gonna say,
Your Honor.
I'm laughing Washington too.
Ma'am, you are interrupting my court date and my court hearing. Laughing and no, put yourself on mute. I have you on mute for a reason, ma'am, because you have come into my courtroom and started talking and laughing, and I'm in the middle of a court hearing. It's okay. Just remain silent while I finish my court hearing. Thank you. Go ahead.
Your Honor, in this situation, we require a pretrial date, Your Honor. Only 2 of the charges.
Barry, Judge, when you called the case, Mr. Taiwan Isaac Washington answered. I think he's the gentleman on the iPhone. Mr. Kyle Washington has not responded to his call, to the call.
I have responded. Kyle Washington. Kyle Washington.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you there? Can you turn up your phone a little bit?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you hear the charges read against you, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Put your name on the record for me. Just say your name.
Kyle Roger Washington.
All right. Thank you. Counsel, you may proceed.
Yes, Your Honor. We need a pretrial date, please. Only 2 of the charges that the court read into the record appear on the docket.
Yes, I know, Ms. Attorney Barry, some of them were from later dates, but I didn't want him to get like slighted on the offer or anything like that. So I'm gonna give you.
Yes.
All right, sir, I'm gonna set you for a pretrial date on the date of May 24th, okay? I know you have some court hearings coming up on 5/5/23. Don't come that day. Come on May 24th, okay?
Okay, I have to appear
It's
in
gonna be
person.
Nope, via Zoom at 8:30 a.m. But try and figure it out, Mr. Washington. I see your date of birth. Figure out how to get on the Zoom app, okay? Or get on the computer, 8:30 a.m. for all your cases, okay?
No problem.
All right, bond will be set at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
We'll see you April 24th at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
How many people in Taiwan? Just signed in.
The lady,
It's 10:14. Did these two people just sign in?
no, the lady who's in the car who came in talking, her name is Octavia Washington. It's in the breakout room. I don't know if she's talked to an attorney yet or not.
I'm not in the breakout room. Hello?
Okay. All right, ma'am. Just one moment. Miss Washington, did you speak with the attorney yet?
Yeah, she said we was waiting to see if the police officers show up. If they don't show up, she's throwing it out.
Okay, I'll put you in the waiting room.
So how long do we gotta wait?
Until I say so, Miss Washington. Hold tight.
Thank you.
And the gentleman on the iPhone with the orange shirt. What is your name, please? You're on mute.
Taiwan Isaac Watson.
Watson, okay, thank you. Just one moment.
No problem.
Officer Borsch.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. The person didn't sign in, so you're all set to leave. Be safe out there, okay?
Got it. Thank you so much. You do the same. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Your Honor, did you call Mr. Whitlock already? Your Honor?
Yes, I said, no, I did not, because I kept calling your name and you didn't respond, so.
My apologies, Your Honor. I was in another courtroom.
I figured as much, so I just waited until you were able to come back. Now I'm checking somebody else in right now, so give me a moment and then I'll handle your matter, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
And I don't see Mr. Watson's name on the docket. What's your first name again, Mr. Watson?
Taiwan, which is spelled Tijuan. I was just incarcerated, but now by me being disincarcerated at Wayne County Jail, I'm free, man. I'm a free agent. I'm sorry.
Hold on a second. We're going to find out the status of your case.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, Mary, Mr. Watson is not on the docket.
All right. Mr. Watson, what I need you to do is I need you to call the courtroom. Can you take down the phone number for me, please?
I sure may. I have a pen and paper right here, ma'am.
All right. 313. I see you ready. 965.
Hello, 313.
965.
965.
22. 93.
Okay, call you on this phone?
Call the courtroom. It's going to come directly to the courtroom so we can try and figure out when your real court date is, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. You can go ahead and hang up now, and then we'll take care of you from there, okay? I
Yes,
remember
ma'am.
you. I think you have been in here before, Mr. Watson,
Yes,
okay?
ma'am. I just talked to you on the 13th.
You did. I was about to say you were in. Call us because I think we took care of the stuff. So call the courtroom, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
All right. I'm glad let me see. Okay.
And I am ready on Mr. White and Miss Washington, Octavia Washington, and I believe it was Josh White.
Okay. I got you. Attorney Jones. There you go again. Attorney Jones. I'm trying.
Right. I'm here, Your Honor. I'm here.
Okay, let me get your client out. Trying to get your client out.
Okay. Your Honor, what did you say, Your Honor?
I'm trying to get him out the breakout room. Here he is. Kevin Whitlock.
Well, Your Honor,
Kevin Whitlock. He's here. All right. Mr. Whitlock.
Hello?
All right. Go ahead, start your video for me. There we go.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Kevin Whitlock. This is ticket X4028422. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please, first.
Your Honor, may it please this most honorable court, Gary Jones, P number 56072, appearing on behalf of Kevin Whitlock.
Mr. Whitlock, please state your name for the record, please.
Yes, Kevin Anthony Whitlock. And Your Honor, I have no video. I'm not sure if you guys can see me or not.
I can't see you, Mr. Whitlock, so your video is on and you look appropriately dressed for court. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
All right. Counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, I believe this is going to be a dismissal. I'm moving to dismiss. The officer on this case did not appear. I did talk with the prosecutor and she's aware of the situation. And I believe she's made adequate efforts to try to reach the officer.
All right. The time is now 10:20 a.m. No officer being present for this particular matter. The court's going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, make sure you get your license. If you don't already have it, get your license and make sure you always have proof of insurance in your vehicle, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You guys enjoy
Your
your day.
Honor.
You're welcome. And if you swipe to the left, you can see us. So if you swipe your phone from right to left, you'll see the people talking. You see us now?
No, it might be either a software or Wi-Fi issue because I can't even swipe right now.
Oh, okay. Well, just log off, Mr. Whitlock. You're all set. Thank you.
Ironically enough, I don't see the court either.
You don't?
No, I don't see the court reporter. All the people just have the little icon and I don't know what happened. I thought it was my phone.
Okay. Well, y'all took care of the matter, so good luck and be careful out there to both of you, okay?
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. All right. Let me call Mr. White next. Josh Mendoza White.
Yes. Good morning, Honor.
Good morning. I'm gonna call this matter now, okay? Now calling the matters of the people versus Josh Mendoza White. This is ticket number SP 118924441. One count drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 1382824. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Mendoza White, please state your name for the record.
Josh Mendoza Joy White.
Your Honor, Mendoza White was able to present valid registration and valid insurance. Registration expiring 10/4 of 23, insurance expiring 11/5 of 23. We will respectfully move to dismiss.
As an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, make sure you always have valid documents in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm bringing Miss Washington. Octavia Washington?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Octavia Renee Washington. This is ticket number SP 1342663. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket SP 1343123. Count 1, failed to stop for a stop sign. Count 2, failed to signal. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Washington. Ms. Washington, please state your name for the record.
My name is Octavia Washington.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for trial and formal hearing. Complaining witness has failed to appear. We move to dismiss.
All right, the time is now 10:24 a.m. No officer having appeared in this matter. The court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these without prejudice. All right, Ms. Washington, you're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great rest of your day.
Yes.
All right. You can log off, ma'am.
How do I log off?
I'm gonna just log you off, okay, Ms. Washington?
Okay.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right. Attorney Berry, did somebody get to talk to Mr. Roosevelt Woods? He's in room number 8. Anybody talk to him yet? He just has one ticket on the docket. It's just disorderly conduct, and this is his bench trial today. And he came.
This officer is not present, correct?
I don't think he is. Let me make sure.
I think we can just bring him out, but I'll go in.
I don't have an officer on it. Let me see if the officer's name came up in the system. Quentin Glover? No? All right.
I'll go in with him and then tell him to come out.
Yeah, go in and then I'll bring him out. Just tell him what's about that.
And I'll let you know that in room 9, she's still deciding how she wants to proceed.
That's fine. She can take her time. We could.
Okay.
And what about Bradford Williams? That's the only other person I see. Is that Attorney Berry?
That's reviewing he paid.
Oh, it's a review and he paid? Okay, so go talk to Mr. Roosevelt Woods and then I'll do Mr. Bradford Williams.
Okay.
Attorney Berry, it's a review and he paid, so we'll be all set. Can you do that one for me, please? I'm doing this.
Ready on Mr. Woods.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Roosevelt Woods. This is you ticket 375341117. This is one count of disorderly conduct. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Woods. Mr. Woods, please state your name for the record.
Roosevelt Woods.
Your Honor, again, today is the date and time set for trial. Complaining witness has failed to appear. We move to dismiss.
The time is now 10:27 a.m. No officer present. The court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. Sir, make sure you stay out of trouble, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, Judge. Hello?
Yes. Yes, I'm still here. I'm listening, sir.
Yes, Judge, I've been trying to get my license cleared. Is there any way you can help me with that?
So, this is the only matter we have in the computer system. What I would do is I would start with the Secretary of State's office and kind of find out what tickets may be holding you up from getting your license back. They'll tell you, and then you may need to pay some stuff. So find out what you need to pay and start working on that, okay?
Okay, what about my bond money?
That will be returned. I'll make sure I put on here bond money to be returned. Now they mail it to you, so you're gonna have to wait a second, okay?
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Okay, and then they'll tell you if you have tickets from other courts too. So go
Your
to the
Honor.
Secretary of State's office. Huh? Yes.
What can we add? Do we know his middle name?
Roosevelt Woods
He has
Jr.
one. He's just Roosevelt Woods Jr., right?
That's correct.
Can you help him? Do you want to talk to him in the breakout room for a moment and see if you can look up something or no?
I just wanted to make sure, because I did see something that possibly was in warrant status, but as long as his middle name is not Stevenson, I think we're all good.
No. You don't have a middle name, right, Mr. Woods?
No, I don't.
He doesn't. It's just Roosevelt.
Okay. I think he's good.
Okay. All right, sir. We'll go to the Secretary of State's office and find out what's going on, okay? They'll help you with all of the state of Michigan.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Woods. Have a great rest of your day.
And you have a better one.
I will. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you. You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Who's Bradford? Who is this? I'm trying to get him out. He won't come out.
Well,
You can hear you went back in there. He did come.
Mr. Williams? Oh, in there. Jerk to that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you able to turn on your camera for me, sir? There you go. All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Bradford Williams. This is ticket SP 1379. Oh, he's at 793611. This is one count of the violation of the city marijuana code. This was on a delayed sentence for 1 month under 771 point. I think it was 771. He was to have paid $200. And if he paid that fine, then this would be dismissed. May I have your appearance for the record, Attorney Berry, please?
oh, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Williams. State your name, Mr. Williams.
Yes,
Bradford Williams.
say it a little louder.
Bradford Williams.
Council, today, we have looked in the computer system and he did pay the fine. So at this time, we are going to dismiss this matter because it was a dismissal as long as he paid the fine. So I put too many letters in dismissal too. So, all right, sir, stay out of trouble. Follow all the rules on this, okay? Read and research it. This is what you want to do, so you make sure that you know how to go about doing it, okay, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, thank you for paying the fine. This case is dismissed, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
All right, thank you. Are we ready, Attorney Harris? What's going on?
Ready, Your Honor.
Ms. Williams, if you could turn on your camera for me, please. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kanisha Patricia Williams. This is ticket number SP 11974416. Count 1, reckless driving. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Shannon Walker, P53794 on behalf of the people.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Williams. Please state your name for the record.
Kanisha Williams.
Your Honor, at this time, I think that both prosecution and defense are requesting an adjournment of the trial date. We are also, as defense, we are respectfully requesting that an attorney be appointed for Ms. Williams. And sorry, I guess I would also like to note for the record that Officer Baxtrester did appear today, and I believe he's in a training at this moment.
That's correct, Judge.
I'm just trying to see. All right. So I'm going to set this for what's called a pre-trial. You can't afford an attorney, Ms. Williams?
Not at the moment.
Okay. So I'm going to set it for a pre-trial on I'm going to set this for April the 24th. That for a pretrial. What's going to happen is I'm going to have you call the courtroom after you finish this hearing today. Okay. I'm going to have to get some information from you so that we can get you counsel assigned. I'll have you come back to make sure counsel is assigned, and then I'll give them the bench trial date to make sure that it works. Okay.
Okay.
So I have you come back April the 24th at 8:30 a.m. for a pre-trial. I'm going to put needs to have counsel appointed, needs to. And at that time, after you get to the counsel, we'll be able to talk about a new trial date if that's the direction that you want to go in, and we'll move from that point, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, bond will be continued. I'll see you back on April 24th for a pre-trial. Please call the courtroom when you finish. Here's the number. You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
313
313
965
965
2293.
293.
All right. All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing for today.
Okay. Thank
all
you.
Right. You're welcome. You're all set. I forgot what. All right. I think that concludes this morning's docket. Let me check and make sure. Let's close out the breakout room. So if anybody special comes.